Marka hore, waxaan idin leeyahay Eid wanaagsan. Maanta waa maalin farxad u leh ummadda Soomaaliyeed. Waxaan idin rajaynayaa Eid Mubarak, bash bash iyo barwaaqo. So first of all, I'd like to wish you this holy time as you're celebrating Eid al-Adha, a very holy and happy holiday. This month marks my third month in Mogadishu in Somalia, and once again I'd like to thank you for the very warm welcome that you've given me. I know that right now there are people in Somalia who are having a really difficult time, that the security situation isn't as good as they want, and there are still problems in various other ways as well. And I've been really struck by the resilience of the people of Somalia. And I make again the commitment of the British government that we will help you to rebuild this great country, this beautiful country, and make your lives better.
Waxaan aad ugu faraxsanahay ana jecelahay inaan joogo magaalada Xama ana la shaqeeyo ummadda Soomaaliyeed. So finally I wish you again Eid Mubarak iyo Eid wanaagsan meel walba oo aad joogtaan.